Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Messy hairstyle. Beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. Different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut. Cropped haircut. And so beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved art. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. So attractive ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And many much more beautiful and latest variety, designs, ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty, you look very smart. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon, take care, and bye bye.